I have a LookFantastic unboxing to do for you today. I got this in the mail just yesterday and I really want to open it up because it's all Valentine's-y. And it's actually Valentine's Day that I'm recording this, so I just thought it'd be a nice little present for me. I'm not sure if my husband's going to be doing anything for Valentine's today, but I thought, you know, here's a present for me, so might as well open it and open it with you guys. Now, I do know what's in the box. I haven't opened it yet to actually feel the products and see them, but I did look on mysubscriptionaddiction.com to see what is in it so I can get the value of the items that are in here and let you guys know if it's worth it, if the box is worth the price. Now, LookFantastic is a really interesting box. It's the one that I have that is actually an international box. It's more, it's a subscription box in Europe, and but they ship worldwide, and so it is $16 a month because I paid for the annual subscription, but it's $19 a month if you just want to sign up as a monthly thing but not pay for, like, commit to the year subscription. So for $16, let's see what I got. So LookFantastic actually comes in a box, like a regular shipping box, that protects this inside box. This inside box is actually really nice. I use this boxes that I've gotten in the past from them to house some of my perfumes, to sort some of my beauty things and stuff. They're a really durable box, also nice for like gift wrapping and stuff like that. So this box not only comes with beauty products and, different European brand products, but it also comes with Elle magazine, like a little mini Elle magazine every month. This is the February edition, and it's an interesting magazine. I don't always look through it because I'm not really big into magazines, but it's definitely unique. It always comes packaged really nicely with a little sticker and tissue paper. And of course, some of the products get disheveled during shipping, but nothing's ever been broken before, so that's been nice. It comes with a little pamphlet here that lets you know more details on the contents of the box. This is the Dr. Paw Paw Original Balm. I've never had this. I've heard of it. Actually, when I went to Australia, some of my friends there use this, and so it's a lip balm. It's also like a cuticle cream. It's a healing balm. You could use it like on dry patches on your hands and on your knees and anywhere. I've heard it's like a really good all-around balm. And this is a 10 ml, and the value is, let me get my cheat sheet out. The value of this 10 ml is about $4 because a 25 ml is $9.25. So I think that's a decent price for a little balm. I'm gonna go ahead and smell it too. Put it on my dry patch on my hand. It's unscented and it's thick. It kind of reminds me of the cuticle cream. Not as thick as the cuticle cream that I got in the Beauty Fix box, but yeah, it seems just like what I was thinking, kind of like a salve, a healing salve or balm. So that is that. Next thing is this Trifle lip scrub, Sugar and Pear lip scrub, and it's sealed, so I'm gonna unseal it. I'm curious to see what it smells like because, wow, that's interesting. Like, I instantly smelled like the buttered popcorn jelly bean, which I don't really care for. That's kind of what I smelled. It's kind of like toffee. Okay, I'll take this seal off of it so I can get the full smell, the full whiff. Okay. So the initial smell I didn't really care for, but the more I'm smelling it, the more I smell more of a caramel scent, and I'm gonna squeeze a little bit on my hand so you can see. It has little sugar exfoliators, which I really like sugar scrubs for my lips because it's nice and sweet, and it's an orange color. I can smell a little bit of pear as well, but it's mainly very sugary, caramely, toffee base. So that's that. Now I have this on my hand and I need to go clean it. I didn't bring anything to take off swatches. I'll be right back. Hopefully I'm in the right spot, but so this is a nice little sample of a lip scrub, and it's really cute packaging actually. I really like it. It's also cruelty free, I'm seeing on the back here. And we should use it up in 12 months after opening. This value for a 10 ml, which I think that's what this is. Oh, there it is, 10 mils, yep. This is $17.95 for this. That is really expensive scrub. I really like my e.l.f. scrub, that lip scrub, which is $3, I think, for a sugar scrub. It does have really fine, you know, sugaries, so we'll see if this one is a little bit coarser and works a little bit better at scrubbing, so I'll let you know about that. Next thing is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I've had a sample of this before and I don't know where. It could be a Beauty Fix box, but I never tried it and I don't know why. But this is a 15 milliliter. I know this is a really nice brand. It's it's an anti-wrinkle day cream. So this values at, just for this 0.5 ounces, for $40. This thing right here, yeah. So I highly doubt I would ever buy the full size of this because I don't know, unless it does miracles, I just don't think so. But I like that it has a little seal on here. $40, man, got some miracles happening in here or something. Yeah, that was a lot. That was probably about $5 on my hand right there. Oops, that came out fast. Okay, so it's just a white lotion, silky. It has a pleasant scent, not too perfumey. I'm trying to remember what that reminds me of, but it's slightly florally, not too perfumey, very light scent, $40 little lotion here. And it's soaked in nicely. I don't think it's very greasy. I feel like I could just go ahead and start, you know, using my hands after this. So I really like it, and it did smooth out the wrinkles on the back of my hand, you know, the few that I have. So I will probably, I don't know if I'm gonna use it on my face. I'm gonna check out the ingredients in it to see if it'll be good for my face. I'm sure, I know it's supposed to be meant for your face, but if I decide that it's not fitting for my face, then I will definitely be using it in for my hands. So I'll let you know how that works out too. All right, next product is the Filorga Miso Mask. This is a smoothing radiance mask. This has a value of about $17 for this little tiny mask, because this is also a pretty pricey brand, but which usually with price means that there's some good ingredients. And I'm just gonna use a little bit here. So I wonder if this little pamphlet has what it does, because it's just kind of like, I know it's not a cream, I know it's supposed to be a mask, so I mean, it's not supposed to be a leave-on cream. Let me see if I can find the details of it. Yes, this mask is a real superstar. It will give your complexion radiance and luminosity, whilst also diminishing the appearance of wrinkles and helping to prevent them. It will also relieve your face of any signs of fatigue and even out your skin tone. All of this magic in a cream texture with extra easy application. What's not to like? How to use, put it on everywhere, even your eyes. Leave on for 15 to 30 minutes and then remove with a damp cloth or a cotton wool pad. So, cool. I actually am excited to try that. I'll have to look into the ingredients a little bit more, but I'm excited to try it if it checks out for the ingredients. And lastly is I think it's last. Oh, nope, not last. There's something else hiding in there. Okay, and second to last is this Caudally Vino Source SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. This is a frequent flyer in many subscription boxes. At least I've had mine in Sephora. I've had a couple, I think, in a Sephora box and a couple other boxes, maybe a Beauty Fix box as well. I haven't tried it yet though because I think there was something in the ingredients that may not be good for my skin. I know it's a really nice brand, and this sample serum size is $16 just for this little size. So, you know, it's 0.33 fluid ounces. If you're interested in trying out this brand, this seems like a good, decent, you know, amount. I think it's about to there in the light. So it's not completely full, but 10 milliliters of serum kind of can go a long way. So I will swatch it for you. It's a thin, slightly runny but not too runny consistency. Has kind of a fruity scent to it, which, I mean, if it's coming from grapes, then I would assume that's why. And yeah, that's a serum. I really like serums, so hopefully I'll look into the ingredients again. Maybe I will try it out. And the last thing is this Pear Shimmer Roll Glittery thingy. I don't know, that's not really what it's called. Just Shimmer Roll. It says eyes, face, body on the cap here, so I'm assuming it's like, you know, you can roll it onto any area that you want some shimmer. It's in this like champagne pink color, and I'll go ahead and roll this on this hand, or button. Okay, wow, that came out pretty fast. Like, I didn't have to like work at it, you know. Okay, let's see if I can bend my arm anyway. That is what it looks like. It's not wet. Oh my. It did really transfer onto my finger though. I wonder if it would like get all over the place. I mean, it's nice. I could try it while I'm like at home, just, you know, not wear it out right away. It kind of fades into almost nothing when I blended it out and it got onto this finger and stuff, but not too super excited about that. But, and I just got, you know, in the Manicadar glow stuff too, so I know they're wanting us to look extra glowy for, you know, Valentine's Day or heading into spring, but I just don't tend to wear a lot of glow. So we'll see if I get any use out of it, if I know somebody who would like this. This is valued at $8.32 because I looked online and it comes in a 6-pack for $50. So $8 for that. I personally wouldn't pay $8 for that, but that's what, you know, the beauty of subscription boxes are, is you get to get all these things that are worth a lot more than what your box actually costs. So speaking of that, the grand total of this box is about $104, and I paid $16 for this, so that is quite a steal for it. Now the question is, if I saw this box with all these things advertised on it saying, you know, buy this box for $16, would I get it? Or would I decide to use my $16 for something else that I know I would really love? And unlike Beauty Fix, where, you know, I really wasn't excited to try a couple of the things, honestly, I'm actually happy about the Dr. Pawpaw because I love lip balms and different balms, and this reminds me of my friends in Australia. But this lip scrub is nice, but I just don't know if I would pay, like, I'm not mad at the $16 that I spent on this. But, and I really think the box is actually really pretty. I definitely can see myself using this for decorations. So the box is really nice too, which is kind of a weird thing to say, but I think if I had the choice, I would have skipped this month. You know how some subscriptions you can skip a month. So I probably would have skipped this month because there's not a lot that I would want in, you know, to just go out and buy at Ulta or Sephora if I saw something. But I like the exposure to the different brands, and I like that it's different, and, you know, So it's up to you. What do you think? Do you think it's worth $16 or even $19 if you don't want to, you know, have, I think I'm going to stop my yearly subscription and probably just, you know, get it month to month if I want to get that. So that's kind of a good idea because they, you know, you get kind of the reveal of it on my subscriptionaddiction.com. You get the reveal of it pretty quickly and then decide if you want to go and buy that. So I might end up doing that, or I might just cancel altogether. I'm not sure. But it's been fun getting exposure to these different brands, but I don't know, I have other boxes that I like better. So yeah, let me know what you think. And I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Oh, also, I am very active on my Instagram account, so if you want to check me out, I changed my name. It used to be Jess Frez, like my YouTube channel here, but I changed it to Glam Free Beauty, and so I post there at least 5 days a week, and usually about, well, it's all about things beauty, and because I have like my own personal account as a different name. So I am having a lot of fun there, and I love taking pictures and kind of giving mini reviews there. So it's a little bit different, obviously, than watching a long YouTube video, but I would love to see you there and, you know, to chat with you there, or you can leave a comment down below telling me what are your favorite subscription boxes. Do you have a LookFantastic box? It's also, I wanted to note, this box just comes as is. It doesn't ask you for like a profile or anything to fill out. Everybody gets the same box, and that's the same also with the Beauty Fix box, whereas like Ipsy and Sephora and a couple other boxes are kind of tailored towards you, but this one just, it's what they decide to put in there is what you get. So I hope you enjoyed, and you have a great day. Bye.